If you're looking for a seamless way to resolve IT problems within your team, GoTo Resolve could be a tool that piques your interest. But how exactly can you use GoTo Resolve to streamline your IT support, and is it the best option for your needs? Let's break it down. GoTo Resolve offers several features that can significantly enhance your IT support workflow. First off, it's known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for even non-technical staff to use. This means if you're dealing with a team that isn't exactly tech-savvy, you won't need to spend hours training them. The platform allows you to access and manage all IT-related issues from one dashboard, which can save time and reduce the likelihood of missing any important tickets. Next thing, GoTo Resolve includes remote support capabilities. This is particularly helpful for troubleshooting issues without needing to be physically present. The software allows IT teams to remotely connect to employees' devices, troubleshoot in real time, and even solve problems that would typically require an in-person visit. While this is convenient, it's worth noting that the speed and stability of the remote connection can vary depending on your internet speed, which sometimes can cause delays during more complex troubleshooting. The third thing GoTo Resolve offers is automated workflows. These can help you quickly assign and escalate tickets based on preset criteria. For teams dealing with a high volume of IT problems, this automation feature can be a real time saver. However, it's important to point out that the automation rules can sometimes be a bit rigid, which might not suit businesses with highly specific or unique IT needs. You may need to tweak things to get it just right, and that can take some extra setup time. The fourth thing worth mentioning is GoTo Resolve's ticket management system. It lets you track and prioritize requests, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The issue here is that the ticket system, while comprehensive, isn't as advanced as some competitors in the IT service management space, which could leave power users wanting more customization options. Finally, let's talk about integrations. GoTo Resolve integrates with various third-party apps, which is great if your team already uses tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. But it's also important to note that GoTo Resolve doesn't offer as many integrations as some other platforms out there, which could be a deal breaker if your team relies heavily on niche tools. Now, here's the kicker. While GoTo Resolve has a lot of great features, there are some alternatives that could be better suited to businesses with specific IT support goals. I'll be sharing some amazing options with you shortly, and here's the best part. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial for GoTo Resolve, but we've also secured access to incredible free trials for other software that's worth checking out. These alternatives may offer the flexibility and customization that GoTo Resolve sometimes lacks, especially when it comes to scaling your IT operations. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll give you a comparison of the best options and let you know which one might be the best fit for your IT team's needs. And remember, through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits for signing up, making it the best deal available for viewers like you.